Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is cryptic. It's pronounced cryptic, and it is spelt C-R-Y-P-T-I-C. Think cry, then the letter P, and then T-I-C. Cryptic means having a meaning that is mysterious or hard to understand. For example, you could say, I could not finish the cryptic puzzle. The word cryptic comes from the Greek word kryptos, meaning hidden. If something is cryptic, its meaning is difficult to understand or hidden. Have you ever used a secret code to write a hidden message? For example, you could write your words backwards or only use every other word to create a secret message. This would make your writing cryptic and hard to understand. Have a go. Make your own cryptic code and see if a sibling or parent can crack it. Cryptic is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, we could not understand the cryptic messages on the wall. Cryptic is defined in the dictionary as mysterious and difficult to understand. Cryptic synonyms include enigmatic, mysterious, hard to understand, confusing, mystifying, perplexing, puzzling, and obscure. Antonyms include certain, clear, common, definite, known, and straightforward. See if you can notice anything cryptic today. It could be a secret code, a tricky puzzle, or just some instructions that you are being given. Either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Cryptic. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.